Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B Pilates. Today is your quick full body stretch. So let's get on with it. You know, I don't like to mess around, so let's just get a nice stretch through the whole body just to warm up. So great first thing in the morning or after a workout. So going into cat-cow, really getting that nice articulation through the spine. Keep your shoulders relaxed. And just slow breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Go for a couple more. Good, so come back into neutral spine. Let's go into moving cat-cow. So move your hands forward, round the back, drop down, then come forward, lower the hips. Just be careful of your lower back here. Just really warming up those hip flexors, the shoulders, getting that good stretch through the back. One more each way. Good. And then come up into a kneeling position. So take your right foot forward, left knee back. So genie arms just to challenge your balance a little bit. So push the knee forward, back to hamstring stretch. And you might need to use your hands on the mat if your balance isn't too great. Good. One more each way. Now come back to this midway point, tuck the toes on your back foot, use your hands if you need to. We're going to come up, straighten that back leg, take the arms up, hinge forward, come up, back with those genie arms, bring the knee down. So this is a little bit of strength, mobility, balance, hinge, all the way down one more time. Or style it out if you nearly fall. Untuck the back toe, arms forward, relax the shoulders, right arm opens. Close, relax the arms, left arm up, reach over to the right. Come up and then let's change sides. So left foot forward. Genie arms, just go hip flexor, hamstring. Good, getting that nice hamstring stretch as we come back. One more each way. Come to this middle point, tuck your back toe, get your balance. Come up, straighten that back leg, arms up. Hinge, come up, back to those genie arms and down, up, straighten, hinge, knee down one more time, up, up, hinge, back knee down. Good. Untuck the back toe, relax your shoulders, left arm opens, follow it with your eyes. Come forward, relax, right arm up, reach over to the left. Good, and come down. And then lie on your back. So again, just drop your shoulders, just take a few seconds to breathe. So hands behind the head, open those elbows, knees together. And really push those elbows into the mat, knees to the left, both knees to the left. This is great for mobility in your lower back, knees up and over. Good, one more each side. Good, come back to center. So release your hands back by your body. Now move your hands away from the body, palms down. So take an inhale. Exhale, just draw the belly button in. So engage those abdominals. Left leg, right leg. So knees and ankles over to the right. Keeping the legs in that right angle. Straighten the top leg. Bend, centre. Over to the other side. Straighten the top leg. Bend, centre, and over. Straighten, bend. Good, and over. Straighten, bend. One more each side. Keeping those shoulders down. Try not to tense the neck or the shoulders. Centre, hug the knees in. Take a little rock. And then feet touching, hands on the knees, big circles with the knees. Reverse it. Good. And then pull your left knee in, straighten the right leg up towards the ceiling, flex the foot, so really push through this heel, get a nice stretch through this hamstring, creating a long line between the heel and hip. Lower it down, all the way down. Point the toe as it relaxes onto the floor. Pull that left knee in a little bit more. Left knee, pull it to the right, look to the left, take that stretch. So this is a really good one if you get back pain. Centre, pull both knees in, hold on to the right knee, left leg up, straighten it out, flex the foot. Lower it down. Keep pushing through the heel. Relax it onto the mat, point the toe. Pull that right knee in a little bit more. Pull that right knee over to the left, look to the right. Good. Come back to centre and then come up. And we're going to lie onto our stomach. So, just move my mic. So, take the arms out in front of you. First of all, you're going to bend your left knee, but keep your left knee in contact with the mat. Open that left arm, go as wide as you can with keeping that left knee down. And come back to centre. Straighten that left leg. Bend the right knee. Bring that right arm up and open. So I'm sort of trying to keep my head down. Come back to centre. Good. Now bend the arms, bring the chin to rest on the hands. So all you're going to do is bend that right knee. Bring it up. Try and keep your pelvis even as you're doing this. Now just breathe. All you're doing is breathing. Tell that right hip to relax. Then straighten that right leg. Now bend the left knee. Bring it up high. Keep your pelvis even if you can. Just breathe. Try and tell that left hip to relax. Good. Come back to centre. Bring your hands by your chest, knees wide. Take a back stretch. And just get the head low. Take a couple of deep breaths. Start to peel yourself back up. Put my mic back on, that's always a bit of a tricky one. So we're going to go into down dog and then we're going to pedal out the knees. So take your hands in front of you, tuck your toes, lift the hips. Pedal the knees. Let the head be heavy. Make sure you're looking back at your legs. Spine is long. Now just hold here, lengthen, take a breath. Now as you come to plank, bring your left foot through. Right hand down, left arm opens, look up. Bring that hand down, step your left leg back to plank, then lift the hips. Take a breath. Bring the right foot through. Left hand down, right arm opens. Bring it down, come out of that and come to seated. And then take your legs out in front of you, legs as wide as the mats. Relax your shoulders, inhale. Exhale forward just to stretch. Peel back up, inhale. And forward. Feeling that nice stretch through the legs. And back up one more time. And come back up. And then cross the legs. So lengthen through the spine here. So take the arms out to the side. Relax your shoulders down. Take a side body stretch. Try and get your forearm down. Up and over. As you come up, turn, look behind you, grab that opposite knee. Just pull on that knee a little bit to help you twist. Center, over, back to center. Just do a circle with the head. Change direction. Good. And we are done. I hope you feel good. That was just a real quick full body stretch. Please hit the subscribe button. Let me know your comments below and have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon.